All right, in our last dispatch, we talked about the growing rebellion, and that is the pushback against the smart trap. We compared the home market to the auto market and all the tech that is involved, and we exposed how data mining is actually turning our private castles into corporate revenue streams. But the question that I got the most out of all of this was, so what do we do now, Brett? Do we have to go back to living in the Stone Age, or do we need to tear out the Wi-Fi in our home altogether? No, guys. The answer is absolutely not. And today, we're actually going to be talking about what we refer to as the hybrid home. It's a tactical way to actually own a property that leverages all the best of 2026's technology without sacrificing your analog freedom. This is going to be how you build a home that you actually control. The first rule of a hybrid home is the principle of manual override. Every piece of smart tech that you have installed in your home should and must have mechanical backup. If you install smart lighting through your house, the physical switch on the wall must be able to complete the circuit and turn the lights on and off. If the servers in Silicon Valley go down, your kitchen lights should still turn on and off. And if you install a smart deadbolt, it must, and I repeat, it must have a physical keyway. Never, under any circumstance, buy a lock that relies solely on a battery or a thumbprint scanner. Convenience is a total luxury. A key is a necessity. When we tour new homes here in Michigan, this is honestly one of the first things we're looking for. Is the tech an actual add-on, or is it the foundation of the home? If it's the foundation, the house is kind of considered fragile. If it's an add-on, the house, it may be resilient. And guys, let's switch this over real quick and start talking about connectivity, because right now the whole world is obsessed over Wi-Fi. Everybody wants those mesh networks in every single room, but Wi-Fi is vulnerable. It's also controversial. It's easily jammed, it's easily hacked, and it clutters the airwaves of your home. The hybrid home is hardwired. If you are renovating or you are building, you need to consider, and you should run Category 6 cable to every major device. Your security cameras should be PoE, which means power over Ethernet. You should not rely on a router to send data to a cloud somewhere else that you have no idea where it's at. It should feed into your local NVR, which is a network video recorder, and that should be sitting somewhere in a closet or in your basement. That's your data on your hard drive, and it is your privacy. There should be no monthly subscription, no cloud access for some third-party vendors. You are the only one in control and the one with the password. All right, and in part one, guys, I did give some credit to the technology, and that was to the smart thermostat. It can save you from a frozen pipe disaster, but here is the hybrid hack. Use the smart system for monitoring, but keep the dumb mechanical limit switches to yourself. You want a system that you can tell if the temperature drops below 45 degrees, but you don't want the system that so many have that allows the utility company to throttle your AC up and down during a heat wave. We are seeing this across the country. Smart thermostats are being locked by the local power grid operators during peak demand hours. And in the hybrid home, you maintain the final say. You want the intel, you don't want to be controlled. Now let's get into the kitchen and laundry room, because this is where the smart tech fatigue truly hits the hardest. We are seeing smart refrigerators, washers, and dryers with 10 to 20 inch screens on the doors. They look cool in the showrooms, they really do. But ask yourself this: does the screen make my fridge or food colder or clothes cleaner? Does it make the food actually last longer or my clothes cleaner? The answer is no. It just adds another point of failure. In the hybrid home, we invest in mechanical excellence. We want sealed systems, we want thick insulation, and we want appliances that your local tech can fix with a screwdriver and a wrench, not a laptop and some type of software licensing they need to fix them. High-end analog appliances will retain their value for decades. Just think about that old garage fridge you had since the 90s. Smart appliances are e-waste in 7 years. Choose the asset, not the gadget. Now, the ultimate hybrid home is the one that can operate off the grid. This is where the mitt and grip kind of philosophy here, it really comes into play. Smart tech relies on the grid. If the power grid goes out, guys, or the cell towers suddenly go dark, most smart homes become what we refer to as expensive cages. A hybrid home has redundancy: a wood-burning stove for backup heat, a gravity-fed water filtration system, and physical latches on the windows. Guys, these are not old-fashioned. These are state-of-the-art. And guys, in the realm of property defense, the best security system in the world is truly a sturdy door and a neighborhood where the people actually know each other and care about each other. Tech can augment so many different things, but it can never replace that. Now here's the truth from the real estate side. As we move deeper into 2026, we are seeing a new class of buyer, and that is the resilience buyer. They are no longer impressed with the iPads and smart TVs on the wall. They're asking about the age of the roof, the depth of the well, and the quality of the foundation the home sits on. They're looking for analog integrity, a hybrid home that is thoughtfully updated, offers the best of both worlds. It has the low insurance premiums of a secure, well-monitored property, but it has the permanence of a traditional estate. This is the property that will hold its value when the smart home bubble eventually bursts. So take a look at your property. Are you delegating your freedom to an app, or are you using an app as a tool? The hybrid home is about balance. Use the sensors to protect your investment. Use the hardwired cameras to protect your family. But keep the keys, keep the switches, and keep the grip on your own data, because at the end of the day, guys, a house is supposed to be a shelter, not a server room. And if you want to see a tactical and what a tactical and hybrid home actually looks like here in Michigan, hit the link in the description. We're mapping out properties that actually have the integrity that somebody watching this video might be looking for. So guys, stay independent, stay secure. We'll see you on our next one.